Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Mr. Cop. It's Monday, March 23rd, and I thought I'd try to do a YouTube video to try to help you guys out. Excuse me. So, last week we spent some time talking about what a volcano is, what are the things that come out of a volcano, the parts of a volcano, how we classify them, and where volcanoes are located. Now, ended the week with Kilauea, Hawaii on fire, which is a pretty awesome video, but I thought today we'd try to organize our notes onto a page that looks like this. So this is going to be our activity for today and tomorrow. You got 2 days to get this done and submitted to Google Classroom. Ultimately, the end product is going to look something like you see here. And we posted a doc on the classroom. The doc on the classroom is going to look something more like this. And you can see that the template here for you is just a guideline. We're going to use a piece of paper. I don't want any of this on a computer at all. I mean, you could feel free to type this in, I guess, as a study guide or something to that effect, but I'd rather you guys use a piece of paper. And I'm going to show you how to do that, how to fold it, organize it, make it a little bit better. So anyway, notice on here, though, that your grade, you're going to get a point for your name, a point for what is a volcano, and then each one of these three boxes down here are worth 3 points each. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and those two are going to be 20 points in real time. So this is a little bit more, it's worth a little bit more points than what we've been doing. All right? So what do you need for this activity? Well, you're going to need a pencil. You're going to need a ruler. You're going to need a piece of paper, standard paper or notebook paper, really doesn't matter. And you're going to need some markers just to make it look a little bit nicer. So let's get into this a little bit. Oh, you're also going to need, as far as this goes, over here, click the link and you can open up the slideshow to get all the information that you need in order to fill this in. So, easier to do in presentation mode. All right, I'm going to show you how to organize it. We'll set up the template and then we'll go through this pretty quickly. I don't want this video to be more than 7 or 8 minutes. Right now we're almost at 3. But so keep this on the side. You can fill in the information. Let's get this thing set up first. Here's your piece of paper. So there's essentially 9 boxes. So we're going to take this and fold it like an envelope. So what I'm doing here is folding it into thirds. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to do the same thing in the opposite direction. This way we have 9 approximately equal boxes. There you go. Of course, we're going to hold landscape. So the first thing we're going to do is that since now we have 9 boxes, it's a little bit easier to use it on the side where it's not folding up on you, that it's folding down. But we're going to put our name, period, and date at the top. So why don't we go ahead and do that. Now, again, my handwriting is not going to be great here, and I'm not even going to fill this in for you completely. I just want to get the headings right so you can see what we're trying to do. All right, so here we go. Your name's going to go here, period, and the date, and you can fill that in. And then we want to define what a volcano is up here at the top. So define what a volcano is. Now there's 3 things that can come out of a volcano, here, here, and here. So 3 things that come out of a volcano. And those 3 things are lava, tephra, and gases. And then I want you to organize it, follow the template, and fill those in from the notes. From there, we're going to use the, what's the structure of a volcano? That's the anatomy of a volcano. We're going to look at how we classify volcanoes. and then where a volcano is located. So again, I'm just trying to show you how to set this up the easiest way. You would take your ruler and try to follow those lines. So right along the folds, we have it here, here, turning it sideways. Might be off the screen at this point. And from here, you can use highlighters, you can use pens, markers, crayons, doesn't really matter, but that's the basic template for what you're trying to do. Ultimately, we want all the notes that we did from last week on a single piece of paper, which would look something like this. All right, again, I just filled that in pretty quickly. And I'll probably end up posting another video with some of the more details as to why this, why this is important. The difference between basaltic and rhyolitic lava, and how tephra is organized by size, similar to our sediment, the types of gases that come out, and so on and so forth. But I'll probably post some sort of review video later on, maybe a screencast. So anyway, at this point, once you have your basic template set up and you're satisfied with your artistic point of view, you would go in and find the slideshow. The slideshow is posted right here on the link, and you'd start to fill it in. So a volcano is a mountain which forms as a result of magma that is forced to the surface, and you would fill that in, and then so on and so forth. Roll right through it. I didn't post anything about viscosity, or at least you don't have to fill it in on your sheet. All right, but just go through, get the notes down, spend a couple of days here to getting this done. It's going to be due at the end of the period tomorrow. Try to make it look nice, and we'll do the same thing on the back of this paper for the 3 types of volcanoes and the dangers and why people live near volcanoes in the first place. So leave this side blank. We'll fill that in using the same format. And I hope you guys have a great day. I hope everybody's safe, doing well. We'll do a little live chat at some point, probably on Wednesday. Anyway, hang in there, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.